Kaunti ya Nairobi bono komiti ye bunge ye chinguru chomuliro nigo ye murunganirie enchera wizara ya energy kwena na emeremo ense ya Kenya gekora wana munyakero wo mubunge omwala omuske Vincent Musyoka nigo bamuganio muriki obotamba se wizara yo Alex Kamau washera kororabuna chinya gitari na abantu kurwa chebunge chonsi cha Kenya chanyorire omuliro wanchereria konde gutayo ayo nigo akorekana se amagacho usakorekana sa amagacho yebunge enene ya Kenya Josephat Moracha kurwa se county ya Nairobi
nekero epache tiegendete koroisi wasa babunge bagendete korigia goikia emerero ase chibunge chiabo ase bono batagete chibekwe ase pache tio mwaka oyo iga omorikio botamba ase wizara y'omorero niga atebire buna niga serikali egendete korigia goikia emerero ase chinyagitari chionsi ase ya Kenya na goikeria abantu emerero ase chinga chiabo eye kogera bagendete gusaba committee yenya ko bagekobamenta chibesa.
We need an additional budget on universal health coverage and also food security. Universal health coverage and food security. We need an additional budget and of course street lighting. The president did mention the additional budget on slum electrification. You know, we have a challenge there. There are several slums in this city that are not electrified, and he had asked us to get a budget to ensure that that is taken care of. And
the Ministry of Health has been coming to KPLC for connection of the hospitals which have been health centers which have been done, and we have no budgetary allocation for that program, and we are therefore requesting for an allocation of 325 million so that we can be able to connect those hospitals and health centers.
Ababunge nigo baboririe encheremerere ko bagwase batebire chibunge chionsi nigo chitakeire ko egwemerero boikeranu.
In this century we still having constituencies that have no single line of a grid. In the same note, Chair, we still find constituencies, rural constituencies, not comparing at all with the town constituencies, you're being below 20% in connectivity. I believe the ministry has the data. Why don't you use this particular data to determine the amount of budget that goes to each constituency based on its connectivity? When you mentioned about level 4 and level 3, where are you leaving level 2?
Even as we get seed money for the slums in Nairobi, we need to consider other constituencies in that purview.
Omorikio botambo musike washira ni atebire buna nigo bare maiso ekero bakwena na emerero na riense yonsi ya Kenya ranyare ko bage kugenderera mutu asama gendero.
We are very careful on how we distribute the resources. If you look at the AFD EU EIB, it covers 35 counties. There are those counties that were not covered in that program, and mostly in the northern Kenya, and that is why COSAP had to come in, and also AFD3 will cover those counties that were not covered, and also enhance so that the country can move together.
Omanyakero gubya committee yo muske Vincent Musyoka ni asabire wizara yo enyara ko bage gutumeka chibesa buya naryo abantu bonse baranyara ko bakonyora amagendero asencherere ndonge.
BPS we passed. We strongly, the BPS talks about strongly accelerating connectivity, also talks about increasing generation. Now, then the specific votes are reduced for those things, and then you wonder, how do you increase, accelerate connectivity, accelerate generation by reducing the vote? So we will keep engaging. Of course, resources continue being a thorny issue because we are constrained in terms of resources, but we can try to align as much as possible the policy to the ceiling.
Ngoripota rieta ya TV kurwa sama gacho ye bunge asomo cho Nairobi Marieta Nen Josephat Makura Moracha.